A good day to all. Welcome to ATL Marathon 2023-24.
I am Pratham.
I am Likith. And I am Rehan. We are from Class 7, Excel Public School, Mysore, Kooragalli.
We chose the theme health.
We worked on this problem statement. Design a cost-effective automated ventilator which serves the critical purpose of providing efficient respiratory support in emergency situations. With a focus on emergency scenarios, we are committed to crafting a cost-effective automated ventilator system that not only addresses the immediate challenges but also aims to be a reliable lifeline in situations where every moment counts. Through discussions with medical professionals, we've uncovered crucial insights for our Prana Vayu project. Primary research highlighted challenges such as the need for cost-effective ventilators and the importance of user-friendly controls.
So bag and mask ventilation is nothing but ambu bag. So these are the two scenarios where ambu bag is used. So during CPR, an automated ambu bag will help a lot because when only one person is there to attend to the patient. When there are two people, so one person will give compression, cardiac compression, and the other person will give the breaths with ambu bag. Okay. So whenever there's only one person, then it becomes difficult. So maybe in that setting, this will be very helpful. Right, as in, since I have not outside without a ventilator, I have not come across an automated ambu bag system at all. Okay, so it's always where one person is bagging oxygen, bagging the air in, and another person is giving CPR, or it will be the anesthetist who's using the ambu bag. So automated ambu bag, I've not seen. I don't think it is under. What idea you guys have is really good because there is no system like that so far. It is only a ventilator. So, like I said, again, ventilator is very expensive.
Now let's dive into details of how Prana Vayu operates. We have implemented a smart system that is controlled by two potentiometer. This little device read analog data and send it to the brain of our system, the Arduino Nano.
Now, this is where things really start to happen. A rack is connected to 3D printed push blocks attached to gears, all driven by a powerful, high-torque servo motor which converts the circular motion of gears to linear motion of the rack.
This arrangement is what causes the ambu bag to compress and expand, simulating the natural breathing process and facilitating the delivery of air into the patient's lungs.
As we turn the potentiometers, they directly impact the system. One potentiometer is specifically designed to fine-tune the frequency, deciding the rate at which the ambu bag undergoes compression.
Simultaneously, the other potentiometer governs the amplitude, precisely regulating the depth of each compression, ensuring a controlled and effective delivery of air. So, in a nutshell, the potentiometers act as our control panel. We turn them, and it's like adjusting the setting on a ventilator. The ventilator we designed is affordable, efficient, and user-friendly.
This is how Prana Vayu, not just a ventilator. It's a step towards making healthcare more accessible and effective.
I was involved in modeling and helped in research and survey.
I did the coding and documentation.
I did the circuit connections and helped with the survey.
Thank you.